If you've noticed your battery light on, dim headlights, or strange noises like whining or grinding, you might be dealing with some common Subaru alternator problems. Like any mechanical part that's used day in and day out, your alternator may fail over time. Let's take a look at the top signs of a bad Subaru alternator and some common causes of alternator failure. Wear and tear. Age and demanding use will take their toll. The lifespan of your alternator can vary depending on how you drive your vehicle and your driving environment. Worn bearings. The bearings inside your alternator may break down, causing whining or grinding noises that will eventually lead to total failure. Loose or damaged belts. The belts that drive the alternator can slip or loosen, and this may cause battery drain as your vehicle tries to run auxiliary systems without the help of the alternator. Fluid leaks. Oil and coolants are corrosive fluids. If your alternator has been exposed to these fluids because of an underhood leak, keep in mind it could corrode or short out the alternator components. Whether you drive a Subaru Outback, Forester, or WRX, these tips will help you diagnose and fix your alternator issues before they leave you stranded. Learn more about the common causes of alternator failure at the link in the description below.